Welcome friends. This is my new video on topic matrices. This matrices 9 for 12th science and arts students of state board. This is the last video on topic matrices. In this video we solve one word problem on topic matrices using matrix method. The example in miscellaneous exercise 2b, example number 3. The sum of three numbers is 6. Means we consider three numbers, their sum is 6. Then if we multiply third number by 3 and add it to the second number, we get 11. By adding the first and third numbers, we get a number which is the double the second number. Use this information and find the system of linear equations. Find the three numbers using matrices. Now we have to solve this example by using matrices. First of all, we find linear equation, system of linear equation. So consider three numbers. So first we consider let x, y and z be required three numbers. Now using given data, using given information, we write system of linear equations as the first equation is, means we use first condition. The sum of the three numbers is 6. The numbers are x, y, z. Therefore, the first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. This is equation number 1. Now with second condition, if we multiply third number by 3, means third number is z, we multiply this number by 3, so we get 3z, and add it to the second number, we get 11, means we multiply third number by 3, means we get 3z, and add it to the second number, that means we get y, which is equal to 11, we get 11. Therefore this equation written as, first of all I write y plus 3z is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Then the third condition is, by adding the first and third number, we get a number which is double the second number. Means by adding first and third number means x plus z. Then we get a number which is double the second number. That means it is 2y. Therefore we get the third linear equation as x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now the system of linear equations as, so we write equations are, first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second equation is y plus 3z is equal to 11. And third equation is x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Now we solve these three equations by using matrices. Now continuing this example, equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 6, y plus 3z is equal to 11, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Now we solve these examples by using matrices. So in matrices we use two methods. One is reduction method, second one is inversion method. Here we use reduction method. So first of all we convert this equation into matrix form. So first of all write matrix form. So we define a matrix. Let matrix A is equal to, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. The first row is coefficient of x, y, z of the first equation 1, 1, 1. Second equation is, here coefficient of x is 0. X term is absent, that means coefficient of x is 0. Coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of z is 3. And the third equation coefficients are, this is the third row, 1, minus 2, 1. So we define matrix A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Then matrix X is equal to, X means 3 numbers. This is a column matrix, X, Y, Z. We have to find these 3 numbers. And then matrix B, capital B, it is also column matrix, and this matrix is first element 6, second one 11, and then 0, such that Ax is equal to B. Now we put value of matrix A, X and B, and then we solve by using reduction method. So I substitute here matrix A. A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1 into X. X means matrix small x, y, z, which is equal to B. That is 6, 11, 0. Now in reduction method we find matrix A or convert the matrix A into upper triangular matrix. That means we have to convert the elements below the diagonals into 0. Here the first element is 1. The element below 1 is 0. So already 0 here. Now we convert this 1 into 0. Means change this 1 into 0. So I write transformation. Convert this 1 into 0. So I write applying or performing R3 such that 1 minus 1, 0. 1 is in R3 and this one is in R1. So R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. So we change R3 accordingly R3 minus R1. Therefore matrix equation is converted as, here first row and second row remains same. That is, first row is 1, 1, 1. Second row is 0, 1, 3. This matrix is x, y, z, and the right hand side matrix is 6, 11 is in first row and second row. We change row number 3, R3, accordingly R3 minus R1. So R3 minus R1 means this R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0 here. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 here. 1 minus 1, here also 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then here this element is 6 and this element is 0. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 means this element is minus 6. Now we see that this element is 0. The first column 1, 0. Here also 0. Now we convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix. We have to change this minus 3 into 0. Then we get this matrix is an upper triangular matrix. we change that matrix, or in this matrix equation we already see that in third row we get 2 0. That means if we multiply this third row R3 to this matrix XYZ, then we get 0x minus 3y plus 0z, and in the right hand side the third row is minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Definitely using this third equation we get the value of y. So if we get 2 zeros here in row number 3, it is sufficient to find the value of y, then value of z, and then value of x. So instead of we change this matrix A into upper triangular matrix, I write directly equations are in matrix form. Therefore we write in left hand side matrix 1 into x, x plus 1 into y, y plus 1 into z, z. So we multiply here second row to this matrix x, y, z. So 0x plus y plus 3z. Then third row is 0 into x, 0x minus 3y plus 0z. This is the matrix multiplication of matrix this and this is equal to right hand side matrix 6, 11 minus 6. Therefore, by using definition of equal matrix, equations are, first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. This is equation number 1. Second equation is 0x means 0. Then y plus 3z is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. And third equation is 0x means 0 minus 3y plus 0z means 0 is equal to minus 6. So we get equation 3. Now by using these three equations we find numbers x, y, z. First of all we solve equation number 3. So I write from equation 3. Equation 3 is minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Therefore y is equal to 2. Now put this value of y is equal to 2 in equation 2. So from equation 2 now, 2 y plus 3z is equal to 11. Value of y is 2 plus 3z is equal to 11. Therefore 3z is equal to 11 minus 2. So 3z is equal to 9. Therefore z is equal to 3. So first we get value of y, then we get value of z. Now using equation 1, so from equation 1 is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Therefore x plus value of y is 2, then z is 3 is equal to 6. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. In this way we get value of, therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So the required three numbers are 1, 2, 3. These numbers satisfies the given equations. So solution is, the required numbers are 1, 2, 3. In this way, we solve this example by using matrices, by using reduction method. You can solve this example also by inversion method. That means, first of all, we find the inverse of matrix A, and then we use the equation. We all know that x is equal to A inverse B. Using this equation, we can find matrix X. That means we get 3 elements of matrix X, X, Y, Z. In this way, we complete this topic. In this topic, we discuss importantly the inverse of matrix. We use 2 methods. One is transformation method, second one is adjoint method, and the next part is the solution of system of linear equations. In solution of system of linear equations, we use also 2 methods. One is reduction method and second one is inversion method. Now I will solve 2 word problems on topic matrices and give it to you using PDF on Google Classroom, and then I will give you homework on topic matrices. So in this way we complete this topic. We solve the examples on topic matrices. Then our next video is on another topic which is posted on Google Classroom shortly.